Most 5K training plans online are either a walk-jog gimmick or designed for elites. Here is an 8-week framework that actually scales to your current fitness. We break this down into 3 tiers. Beginners run 10 to 15 miles a week, aiming to break 30 minutes. Intermediates run 20 to 30 miles, chasing sub-25. Advanced runners log 30 to 45 miles, targeting sub-20. Regardless of your tier, the weekly architecture is identical. You need 1 speed session, 1 tempo run, 1 long run, and easy miles to fill the gaps. Everything revolves around these key workouts. Weeks 1 to 3 are for base building. Don't panic if paces feel sluggish, especially female runners experiencing luteal phase heart rate spikes. Run to effort, not the watch. Weeks 4 to 6, introduce the 20-minute tempo run. Aim for comfortably hard, roughly half-marathon effort. This builds lactate clearance. If you can speak in paragraphs, you're too slow. If you're gasping, you're too fast. Phase 2 also adds VO2 max intervals. Beginners hit 6,400 with a 90-second jog. Intermediates do 5,1000 at 5K pace with 2 minutes rest. Advanced runners, 6,1000, but with only 90 seconds rest. Here's the part most people miss, the long run. Yes, even for 5K, you need a 60 to 90-minute easy long run. The 5K is overwhelmingly aerobic, and this builds the capillary density you need. Weeks 7 and 8 are for sharpening. Keep the race pace intensity high, but drop your total volume by 20 to 30% in the final week. You want to arrive at the start line feeling explosive. During these final sharpening weeks, practice in your race day shoes. The 2025 Super Shoes change your running economy and mechanics. I highly recommend doing your last 2 interval sessions in these so your calves adapt. The biggest mistake I see, treating interval splits as the ultimate measure of success. In reality, nailing your intervals won't save you if you skip your easy days. Completing 90% of your easy miles at a truly conversational pace matters way more than burying yourself on the track. Consistency builds the engine. Intensity just tunes it. Pick your tier, trust the plan, and get to work.